students, today we're going to learn how to make an ad sheet, a sales sheet. This is like I said, this is a very important part of the magazine process, and I wanted to show you the whole entire thing as a whole. So, so this is what you would show a potential customer that would like to publish some of their advertisements in your magazine. So I'm not good at sales, to be honest with you. I'll just design it. Someone else can take care of the sales because I'm just not good at sales. I tried it and it was not fun. But some people are really good. My husband is actually a really good salesperson. He's so personable and he has no problem selling. But anyway, okay, so this is an example of what I'm looking for. The purpose of this project is to teach you about tables and a little bit more about tabs. Okay, that's really what differentiates a novice from a professional, because a lot of times I'll go into someone else's work, what they've done before, and I don't know how they put it together. Boxes on top of boxes and lines and all these kind of things, and it's like, you should have used the table. I have no idea how some people out there function, but it seems like more work in the front end, but in fact it's more work in the end when you have to make those edits, because you have all these lines that are getting in your way, and so it's a good idea to do things the right way. So this is an example of one. I'm going to probably upload some of these samples so you can have something to go by. Some of the examples are a little bit more designed. I find this a little bit cluttered. I like the way that this is designed because the table is muted in the background. That's my style. My style is muted. The things that are not necessary are muted, and what is important, which is the numbers, that's what stands out. This one right here I find it very hard to focus. But anyway, I'm just showing you that you can also brand this this sheet. It doesn't have to be boring. A little bit boring, but not as much. This is actually what I'm gonna go by, just because for the purpose of showing you how to make the table. And then I like this one for the section down here, which is what we're gonna learn with the tabs. Okay, so let's go to InDesign. And this is not going to be a part of your magazine, so you're going to have to create a new file. Again, print, letter, orientation. I don't know why it automatically goes to pi, because in the US it's inches. It's not what I prefer, but it's what it is. It is what it is. Okay, so it doesn't have to be facing. It really doesn't matter. It's only one page. And the margin, let's set that at 0.25. And if it does need any bleed, 0.125, an eighth of an inch. Okay, and create. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we have to create. Okay, I'm gonna leave some room up here to put the logo or whatever, but we're gonna create the table. So first you have to create a text box, okay, and then insert table. Okay, I'm gonna copy this one right here. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows. 9 by 5. Insert table. So 9 rows and 5 columns. Okay. Okay. So then the first one, it goes all the way across. So I'm gonna simplify it. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna highlight that first row. Then I'm gonna right click and say merge cells. Okay. So I'm gonna say magazine advertising. And I'm gonna make all of my text. Do I have Arial? Everybody has Arial. Okay. Not everybody has Helvetica, but everybody has Arial. That's not fair. I love Helvetica. I'm such a nerd. That's when you know you love what you do. You're okay. Okay, so magazine, you could put a color behind it, a fill. It probably needs to be a very low. You could get the tint down a little bit, just to give it some. All right. Let's get closer. So far away. All right. So we have double page spread. I'm just going to say full page, half page, and quarter page. Full page. I just press the down arrow button and it will go to the cell underneath it. Full page, half page, and quarter page. Oh, I forgot that. I'm gonna cut it and put it here. This one, let's give it a fill too. Let's go even lower. Okay, too close, whatever. Let's see, add size, add size. If you hit tab, it goes to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 1 to 3 issues. 4 to 7. 4 to 7 issues. 8 issues and ongoing. Alright. So you make up your prices. Let's give them a discount. $1,000. And if they, oh, okay, so they get a discount if they get more. I'm just making up numbers, okay? Don't look. 1,500. I'm not that good at math. I'm actually really bad at math. But I like money. ongoing, whatever, 3,000. Okay. So you can, if you would like to make the cells bigger, you can maneuver this however you want. I already showed you, maybe down here you might want to merge the cells again. It's really up to you. Okay, so that's what I wanted to do. Okay, so mine is actually called Travel Magazine. I'm pretty sure that's taken somewhere. It's an easy word. And you can have a made-up address underneath that. One, two, three, four. Mockingbird Lane. Somewhere in Texas. 77123. That's made up. Okay. Shift W. It's getting there. Anyway, add whatever you want. Okay, I just want to see the prices. I just want you to get a good handle on the tables and things like that. And then we're going to do a little section where they're going to fill out. Okay, so now we're going to go by this one, payment terms. Okay, so let's make that Arial as well. Make that a little bit bigger. Okay, let's bold it as well. Okay, now and unbold. Okay, now we put name on card. All right, you are ready to purchase your ad. Give me the payment information. I'm ready. Name on card. And then it has a signature. Okay. So again, we're gonna add tabs, type, and tabs. And we're gonna say name on card. We're gonna put an underscore, shift underscore, and we're gonna put this right justified. Oh, sorry, it's under letter. Letter. Okay. And we're gonna use this. I'm gonna put that. So after name on card, I wanna hit tab and it's gonna take it there. Then I'm gonna hit another, after signature, I'm gonna hit tab. Okay, so you can move this too. You can move, whoop, disappeared. Sorry. To delete them, you just click and just drag it up. But you can move it to where, oh my God, it's tricky. To where you want it to give people enough space to, you know how it is sometimes they don't give you enough space. Give people enough space to sign their name. All right. All right. Okay. Next line. Billing address. Okay, so billing address, and I don't want that. I had to delete that one because here I want it to go all the way there. So I'm gonna hit tab. Okay, so because it's there, it recognizes it goes all the way to the right. Now hit enter for the next one. City, state, and zip. City, state, and zip. Okay, so I'm gonna want one probably here. State is hyphenated, so okay, so city, tab, state, tab, and zip, tab. All right, I think city can use a little bit more, and I think zip is not that long. Okay, something like that. We want to increase the leading to kind of give people some space to fill it out. So how about 18? Maybe not. How about 30? That seems about right. Okay. And here's another thing that we can do. Visa, MasterCard, or Amex. Visa, MasterCard, or Amex. Visa, let me see. We can put type glyphs. There are things that we can put like a little checkbox. And if we go to Arial, we go to, what is one? Wingdings, or, of course, I don't have it. Webdings, Wingdings. If not, then that's fine. Sometimes. Oh, here we go. See, there's a checkbox. You can do these, we'll do it. They have all kinds of little icons, and this is what it's for, is to create forms or whatever. So you can pick out whichever you want. So whichever kind of box you want. Let's pick that one. Double click. Okay. Visa. I'm just going to copy it. C, MasterCard, and Amex. Okay, I don't want a letter this time because they're not filling anything out, but I do want to space them out a little bit. So I'm going to add, let me see, just going to space them out. Tab. Oh, if it has the letter, whoop, just delete it. And then tab. highlight that and I it's not supposed to be adding that. It's just doing what it wants to do. Okay, so I'm gonna just delete them. I think it's confused. See, it happens to me too. This last see. Tab, it's still giving me that. Well, guys, I tried. I don't know why it's doing that. I just wanted it to give me a space, and it's adding those. All right, if it doesn't work for you, I won't get mad at you. I mean, look at this. I can't make it work for me. So I'm telling it not to add that thing, and it's not paying attention to me. I don't know why. Okay, so you get the picture. What if I added them in another? All right, I just messed up the whole thing. Anyway, that's what I wanted to show you. If you can make it work, fine. If not, I'm not gonna get mad at you. But I did want to show you how to do that. Let me know how I can fix that. It looked obvious to me, but I guess not. So essentially, this is what I'm looking for. If you can add anything else to make it look better, that would be best. Okay? All right, well, thank you, and I will see you next time.